Hello everyone, welcome back. Are you looking for a new gaming monitor? Today, we're comparing two popular Asus screens, the VG27AQ5A and the VG27AQ3A, both 27 inches with sharp 1440p picture quality, but they are not the same. Let's break down what makes them different so you can pick the right one. First up, speed. The VG27AQ5A runs on 210Hz when overclocked, while the VG27AQ3A tops out at 180Hz. That extra 30Hz means smoother motion in fast games. If you play shooters or racing games, you'll notice a difference. Both are fast, but the VG27AQ5A is faster. Response times matter too. The VG27AQ5A has a super quick 0.3 millisecond response time at its fastest setting. The VG27AQ3A hits 1 millisecond. Both are excellent for gaming with no blur, but the VG27AQ5A edges ahead for competitive play. Now for the colors. The VG27AQ5A covers 95% of the DCI-P3 color space and gets brighter at 300 nits. The VG27AQ3A covers 130% sRGB and reaches 250 nits. Both look amazing, but the VG27AQ5A has richer colors and a brighter screen, better for HDR content and brighter rooms. Both monitors have AMD FreeSync Premium for smooth gameplay with no screen tearing. They both support blur reduction and have the same gaming features like game modes and shadow boost. The VG27AQ5A adds a gaming AI feature and a display widget center for easier control, while the VG27AQ3A works with NVIDIA G-Sync 2. Price-wise, the VG27AQ3A is cheaper at $180 to $200. The VG27AQ5A costs about $200 to $250. Not a huge gap, so which one wins? If you want the absolute best performance with faster refresh rates and better colors, go for the VG27AQ5A. If you're on a tighter budget and 180Hz is plenty, the VG27AQ3A is still an awesome choice. Both are great gaming monitors. Pick based on your budget and how serious you are about gaming. Thanks so much for watching. Drop a comment below with which one you choose. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons just like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.